The next is actually my personal favorite, and it's Vetiver and Oakmoss. And to me, this is like a collision of modern, like fresh scents and more classic, sophisticated scents. If I had to describe it, it's kind of like an evening walk through a really lush green field. You're 1,000 miles away from the city. It's very fresh, very modern. This is a pretty powerful scent.
Yeah, you get hit right away at the beginning with those ozonics, so those fresh air notes, very, very light. And then it's kind of a complex because there's a little bit of depth with like the sandalwood and oak moss, and then, vetiver, which is one of my favorites.
Sure.
Really earthy, woodsy, a little bit of smoke. Kind of has a lot of things going on to it, but it helps balance, everything out.
So a very nice, fresh scent inspired by the best that nature offers. But this doesn't smell like to me?
It doesn't smell like the worst. The worst being an overly air-conditioned motel room that you got once in Scottsdale.
Exactly.
Right, $29.99
Yeah.
off the highway.
Yeah, plaid.
Right,
Plaid
dirty
bedspread.
sheets.
Yeah. So